Hey, it's James Potenza, that new home realtor. We're back out at Massey Oaks in Pearland, and this is a Meritage home. This is a one-story, and it's in a very, very rough framing stage. We got the, I think they have everything but the electrical, so they have the plumbing and the gas and everything. But anyway, I wanted to walk you guys through this, and remember, don't go to the builder without a new home realtor. All right, so Meritage Homes in Massey Oaks Pearland. And this is a one-story, and I like to normally start off in the garage, but it's been raining a lot, and I don't want to walk through that. I'll tell you what, let's go this way. There we go. All right, so in the garage, we have a lot of stuff to look at, and that's going to be your incoming water, your water source. That's probably going to be a water spigot. And nail guards, anywhere they have electrical or plumbing, they've got to have a nail guard so when they go to hang the sheetrock, it doesn't go through. That's your gas line. And this is going to be your ground wire. I think that goes down about 8 feet. But your electrical panel will probably be somewhere around here, and then they'll strap the electrical panel, and that'll be your house ground. That's gonna. I think they put tankless water heaters. I think they just hang them up there. There's the gas line for the water heater, and of course the water source. Okay, yeah, so exterior walls, I like to see lots of anchor bolts and clips and straps, and also clips and straps up here. There's your roof decking. So what Meritage does is they put spray foam insulation, which they'll put the foam up against the roof decking way up there, all the way up there, and they won't insulate the ceiling. And of course, they'll put spray foam on the sides, and it really seals the house up. You can come into one of these houses after the spray foam, close all the windows, and you can't hear anything outside. It's really cool. Shear wall. Anything interior that has OSB or basically plywood, anything interior is called a shear wall. And they anchor these things. They shoot them with, I believe it's a 22. That's a nail that goes down into the concrete. And on the corners, they'll put these massive anchors right there. So it really holds the whole house together, and it holds that wall together. So really good. Exterior walls again, anchor, like that. And wow, here's another shear wall because it's inside. Like it. All right, so living room and the kitchen. So it's going to be your island kitchen right there. That's your cabinets, pantry. It's a nice sized pantry actually. Walk-in pantry. I like this floor plan. I'm kind of partial to one-story homes myself, but it's nice and open. Yeah, here's another shear wall. So this home has a lot of shear walls inside, and you'll see the anchor again, and you'll see the shots. I just call them shots. They're shot into the concrete. Another anchor. Good stuff. Spin you around here and just take a look how big this is. Nice and open. I'm digging it. So what Meritage does is, and they're able to build the houses much quicker, but I believe, and I'll have to maybe put that in the comments, or maybe somebody else can put it in the comments, what exactly those are called. I just call them trusses. that are prefabbed, I believe, off-site. They're shipped, they're dropped here, and then they put them together like a puzzle. I believe it makes the house stronger. And it also goes together quicker. The only drawback is you kind of lose attic space because there's not a lot of crawl space because of the way they're designed. I don't know if that's a big deal for most people, but that's the only thing I could think of that would be a drawback, if it is even a drawback. All right, let's go to the master bedroom. So this is a really good time, and I do this with all of my clients that are building homes, is to take videos, pictures, and that way you can see before they hang the sheetrock where everything is. It's going to look much different once they hang the sheetrock, because you won't be able to have that view to look at that plumbing there when they have the sheetrock up. So we do this for all of our clients. We take videos multiple stages during the building process. This one is super critical. Right before they hang the sheetrock. All right, short little one-story video. That about does it. All right, so I hope that was educational for you guys. That's why I do this, to make sure that the home buyers know exactly what they're getting into. And like I said, if you're building a home with me, I will do this for you guys. Put it on YouTube. You'll be able to look at it anytime you want. Show your friends and family of your house being built. So yeah, Meritage Homes in Massey Oaks Pearland. We'll see you guys.